Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So I actually went out on this hunt with a local guy who hit me up on Facebook. His name is Corey, and so we went out to this set of fields that we've been going to a lot recently. We got two boars stacked up right here, and they are just, eating this leftover corn laying on the ground after this field has been combined. And so in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see we've got a Pulsar Thermion XP50. It's actually set up on a tripod watching me and Corey. I'm on the left and Corey's on the right-hand side. And then I'm looking through my Trigicon Hunter Mark II 35mm as a scope that's actually on my rifle. And so we're going to get into this shot sequence here in a second. The question that I have for y'all is actually going to show up in the second video that's going to come up after this shooting. So I'm going to get back with y'all here in just a minute.
When he'll turn. Okay, whenever you're ready.
I dropped mine.
Where's the third?
There's only two, bud.
Was there only two?
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Alright guys, so in this next clip you can tell that we're actually in a cotton field, and so this is me taking a video in the bottom of the screen as I'm driving by this same exact cotton field a few days later, and you can just see how tall all that is. I'm going to give you a lot better frame of reference here in a second whenever you actually see my pickup out there, and this pickup actually has a 2-inch lift kit on it. I am walking in the screen right now. I'm about 5'8", and so you'll see me just kind of disappear later on. And at first, this cotton is about, waist deep, but then whenever I go back into it later, this thing comes about all the way up to my nipple line. So let me backtrack a little bit, because in that very first field, when it was that cornfield that had already been harvested, we obviously recovered both of those pigs. But in this second field with this cotton being anywhere from waist to nipple height on me, we recovered one, but we didn't recover the other one. We tried and we looked and we spent a good time trying to get this hog out of that field, so that way whenever this farmer comes through and harvests this cotton, he's not going to run it over with his equipment. But guys, we couldn't find it. And so on this night, I'm going to count it as 4 killed, 3 recovered. So my question is, how do y'all do it? Would y'all count this the exact same way? Because I know a lot of people that they'll say, "Oh man, we killed. There must be at least another, 7, 8, 9, dead." And I start to question those kinds of numbers. Obviously, on this one, I've got the footage. We've got the proof. I've got meat thumps, but man, I don't have the proof of a body. I'm still calling it 4 killed, but obviously I'm going to throw in there that disclaimer: 3 recovered. So guys, I'd just love to hear how y'all do it, how y'all count them. But guys, however it is that y'all actually do count them, either way, just keep being awesome. Bye.